Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. I've got a piece of just an old piece of walnut slab that I had cut off some stuff I've got. It's just a scrap, crappy piece of wood actually. I'm gonna see if I can do something with it. Probably just leave it square. Just put like a bowl in the center. I don't know. Do something with it. If not, we'll see. We're just probably going to put the bowl on this side, cut all this away, just cut it flat, kind of like a wing bowl, I guess. This will be the bottom. I'll just flatten it out. So this video is going to be unedited, so might be a little longer, hopefully not. I'll pause in between long scenes, but we'll get it mounted up here. Get this bottom flattened up. Oh yeah, I gotta change my tailstock in here. Made some handles earlier and had to use a different one. So we'll do this one. Just see if we can do anything with this and keep from throwing it away. Already got my centers marked, so we'll see what we can do here. Use the old thumb measurement, the old eagle eye. That looks pretty good. So like I say, we'll get this flattened off and then turn around and get the center of it done there. I'm gonna hit the edge here. A little bit in the middle. Yeah, I had some couple comments on another video I did. Asking if I've ever done a video unedited. Well, I have. I've done a few. I do pause in between things because if not, some of the videos, you guys know, they can go, for a couple hours to get a piece done. This one's going to be really fast. I'm going to do fast cutting, and then we'll see what we come up with on this thing. But we'll see. Let me get my safety glasses on. See what speed we can get. Shouldn't be too bad. I did cut the corners off. Alright, so yeah, we get about 800. Start using the bowl gouge. Get a tenon on the bottom of it. diamond point to finish my tenon. go just a little bit more. Got a few spots in there. Got most of it all out of there, so sanding will take care of that part. So let's get it to, let me get my chuck on the other side. We'll get it flipped around. All right, did get it flipped around. We'll mark for the bowl, and then like I said, we're going to try to cut this out. What I'll do is take a, I'm going to leave about a, somewhere right in that area, I think. Not a perfect match, but anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, we cut all this out. Try to get this out of here. That piece there may break off. I don't know. I hope not. I hope it can stay. Because it's got just a real punky wood. But we'll see. That ain't gonna work. There we go. Alright. So we'll start with the, we'll do it with the bolt guys here. See if we'll go a little bit more. They'll only go all the way to that red. Yeah, and get it all the way. Get rid of this punkiness. Get it back down to the black walnut in the middle there. We'll get it. We'll get it. It's out of my way. back with good color. Of course, the punkiness looks pretty good. It's just really dusty. It makes a fine dust. You can't really get any shavings out of that stuff. It's just a brittle sponge. Kind of hard to sand up smooth. But I found they use there's another guy I watch. He uses the wood glue, just puts the dust back in it and re-sands it. That's really good. So we'll do that. Take a little bit more out the bottom, the sides, maybe just a little, and then we'll cut this out. Catch that. Alright, so I think we're going to leave it like that. We've got about 3/8 here. The bottom feels probably like maybe about 1/4 inch. Measure one down. See if I can get some of this here going. See what we can do with that. I heard a piece fly off, but I don't know where it came from. I mean, right there. Brittle. Yep, right there. Yep. That's okay. Excuse me. We'll sand that down. Like I say, I thought that piece might come off of there. Hopefully this piece doesn't. But we're getting it. Oh yeah, I believe it's going to stay. Track did go all the way through just right there. So we'll move it now. Okay, that's pretty good. That's about a 1/4 of an inch all the way through, all the way around. That. I could take it on down. Let's cut some more of that out of there, make the moss a little bit thinner. Maybe that'll make it look a little better. Yeah, looks better, I think. All right. Don't know what to do with this. Probably just sand it. Raise it down, sand this. But anyway, like I say, it was a crappy piece of wood. If you will, I just knocked off another blank. That's all right. So let me get it. I won't bore you through all the sanding. I will sand it. Start at 80, working way up to about 400. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on it. Like I say, it's just something fast. Just gonna do something with this piece of wood. So I'll do the sanding. We'll come back. We'll put some sealer on it. That tenon off of there. I'll knock this off and sand it off, and then put some shellac on. All right, got the tenon off, got it all sanded, got everything sanded up. I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna do a shellac. I'm just gonna use some boiled linseed oil on this. See what it does. Brings up the color green. Yeah, it does. It makes it really, really nice. Just that old punkiness though, it soaks it in. So it does. It doesn't really give it a shine, but that's all right. We're gonna go with it anyway. And like I said, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this. So we're just want to do something with it. See if it make anything. But I'll get this on there and we'll come back. We may put some wax on there. We'll see. Let me get this finished up and we'll see what we finish with. All right. Went ahead, yeah, I just put linseed oil on it, let it dry. That's all I did. I didn't put no wax or anything on it. I just left it like it is. Like I say, didn't want to spend a lot of time on this piece. So anyway, there it is. It's black walnut scrap crap. I guess a lot of punkiness in that wood, but it did sand up pretty well. Walnut's beautiful. But you can see all that punkiness. It sanded up fairly well. Had a chip out of it right there, but that's okay. Done really good. The edges still have a couple excuse me, couple saw marks in it, but I'd sanded down anyhow. Live natural edge there. Natural edges kind of flow. That's pretty cool too. So, but yeah, it turned out really good just for an old piece of scrap. something quick, simple, easy to do. Just a little bowl. It's about it's 8 inches across, side to side, 10 inches this way, and this is about 1.5 inches deep. Walls are about about 3/8. Kind of go down to about 1/4 up here, 3/8. So kind of left that natural edge on it. Of course, that linseed oil, made it black, darkened it up where the bark was. So, but anyway, something fast out of an old crappy scrap. So, hope you liked the video. If you do, give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I do a video about once a week, sometimes twice. This week I've done 3. Been off work for a few days, so had a little bit more time to spend in the shop. Probably do another video here in a day or two. So hit that notification bell and get notified when I put out videos. So yeah. So hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy your Sunday, and we'll see y'all on the next video.